Hey there. Today at Bendicato Sales, we have a 2015 Nissan NV200. This is a little cargo van, a little 4-cylinder engine in it. Got good tires on it, lots of tread left on them, almost brand new in fact. Nice white, paint condition's excellent. Does have rear camera and GPS. 257-411, does have cruise, power windows, does have the accessible racking, which is awesome. So you just open the side door, you can access the racking right away. And lots of cargo room here, it's in pretty good shape. Got the shield up front, always nice. The racking is adjustable, those little things pull out. Again, nice shape. Rubber floor mat's always good. It does have a little cargo net. Again, good shape. Does have the original book. So if you're looking for an inexpensive cargo van, this could be for you. You can always give us a call. Number is 519-507-1471. And this is Noah for Bendicato Sales. Have yourselves a great day.